What if I told you that you could grow a wildly successful YouTube channel in 2025 without ever showing your face, using just free tools and a little creativity? Yeah, no ring lights, no awkward intros, and definitely no "hey guys, welcome back to my channel" nonsense. Quick favor, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so YouTube actually lets you know when I drop new video, which happens daily, by the way. If you're trying to grow your cash flow from your 9 to 5 and build income streams that make money while you sleep, you're in the right place. I've got videos that'll help you turn content into cash and finally live the life you deserve. Alright, enough talking, let's jump right in. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel on the side this 2025, step by step. From choosing a niche to publishing your first video, I'll show you how to do it without any expensive gear, weird AI voiceovers, or being on camera. Trust me, this isn't one of those videos where the advice is just use ChatGPT and hope for the best. I'm gonna give you real practical steps you can actually use. So if you've been procrastinating, overthinking, or assuming you need to be a video editing wizard, this is your sign. You don't, but you do need a plan. Stick around till the end because I'll show you how to create an entire week's worth of content in one day, even if you have a full-time job. Step 1, pick the right niche. No, not just motivation. Let's get real. The reason most faceless YouTube channels flop isn't because they're faceless, it's because they're directionless. People think they can just throw motivational quotes on B-roll and become the next Mr. Beast. Newsflash, that ship sank somewhere in 2022. Want to know the real reason most faceless channels die in the algorithm graveyard? They blend in with every other copy-paste motivational channel with 3 likes and a dream. Instead, pick a niche that balances demand, low competition, and easy to produce content. Here are a few that are still crushing it in 2025. AI tools tutorials. People love to watch these because AI changes every 3 seconds. Canva tutorials, you'd be shocked how many people still don't know how to remove a background. Storytime documentary channels, especially YouTube drama or money. Top 10 listicles, like top 10 creepiest mysteries solved by Reddit. Trust me, goldmine. Go to YouTube, type in your idea and see what videos pop up. Filter by this month and see what's blowing up now. But how do you know if a niche is the right one? I'll show you the test I use in just a second. Step 2, validate the niche before you waste 3 months. So here's the test. Type your niche idea into YouTube. Click filters this month. Look for videos with under 10K subscribers but over 50K views. If you see multiple videos like that, congrats. You've struck algorithm oil. That means it's not just big creators doing well. It means YouTube is actively serving content in that niche to new channels. Think of this like online dating. You're not looking for the hottest person. You're looking for someone who actually wants to talk to you back. Same with niches. You want an audience that's actively searching for what you'll post. But once you pick a niche, what the heck do you even post? That's where step 3 comes in. Step 3, plan 10 video ideas before you make even one. Most people start a YouTube channel with one idea. You need at least 10. Why? Because if your first video doesn't hit, spoiler alert, it probably won't, you won't feel motivated to keep going unless you've got a plan. Here's how to come up with 10 ideas fast. Use YouTube search autocomplete, type your topic, see what pops up. Steal ideas from small channels in your niche, then improve them. Check Reddit and Quora for what questions people are asking. Use vidIQ or TubeBuddy, free versions are enough. Write your ideas in a Google Doc titled $1 Million Video Ideas. Not because they are yet, but because it's a vibe. Fake it till you upload it. You wouldn't open a restaurant with one dish on the menu, right? Then don't start a channel with one video idea. But how do you make the videos without showing your face or sounding like a robot reading a Wikipedia page? Step 4, the easy way to make faceless videos that don't feel dead inside. You don't need Adobe Premiere, a $2,000 mic, or a TikTok voice that sounds like Siri's cousin. Instead, here's your beginner-friendly stack. Script writing, ChatGPT, then rewrite it like a human. Add jokes, be spicy. Voiceover, 11 Labs, or even your own voice using your phone. Just edit out breaths. Editing, Canva, or CapCut, a free editing powerhouse. B-roll and animations, Pexels, Pixabay, and Canva animations, all free. Sound effects and music, YouTube audio library or Pixabay music. If you can drag and drop, you can make a YouTube video. Don't wait until you learn editing. Learn by doing. Your first video will suck. It should. That's part of the deal. But how do you turn those videos into something people actually want to click on? Step 5, thumbnails and titles that don't suck. This is where most creators go full potato. You could have the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail looks like a PowerPoint slide from 2009, nobody's clicking. Tips for Faceless channel. Thumbnails, use big, bold text, max 3-4 words. Add one focal image, icon, emoji, or a face, even AI generated. Bright, contrasting colors. Use Canva's YouTube thumbnail template to make it brain dead simple. Title tips. Curiosity comes first, keywords second. Example, instead of how to make money on YouTube, try the weirdest way people are making 1,000 a day on YouTube. Faceless method. Use parentheses or brackets to tease info. Ask a question or create tension. Why no one talks about this YouTube trick? Your title and thumbnail are the Tinder profile. The video is the date. Don't mess up the profile. Now that you got the video, how often should you post and how do you not burn out? Step 6, the realistic upload schedule so you don't quit. Forget daily uploads. You're not a machine. Unless you are, then hi fellow AI. Start with 1-2 videos per week or whatever pace works best for you. Batch record your voiceovers. Reuse Canva templates and keep a Notion or Google Sheet to track everything. Create 4 to 5 videos before you even launch the channel. That way, you're ahead of schedule and not panicking on upload day. Want to know the one reason people quit YouTube? Burnout. The second, obsessing over views in the first 12 hours. But how do you get people to actually find your videos, especially when you're new and have 0 subscribers? Step 7, the 3-minute trick to get your first views. This isn't a magic hack, but it works. After uploading, post your video link to Reddit in niche relevant subs. Quora as a helpful answer. Pinterest, yes, it still works. Facebook groups in your niche. Then respond to every comment like your channel depends on it, because early engagement tells YouTube your video isn't garbage. Use Ask the Community posts once you hit 500 subs to involve viewers. Ask what video they want next. People love voting on stuff. You don't need an audience to start a channel. You need a channel to start an audience. And what happens when your channel starts growing? That's where things get interesting. Step 8, scale without burning out, even if you have a 9 to 5. Once you've got a system, it's time to scale. Here's the secret. Repurpose your YouTube videos into TikToks, Reels, and Pinterest pins. Turn scripts into blog posts, free traffic from Google. Automate editing with Canva templates. Outsource thumbnails for $5 when you're ready. Pick 1 day per week as content day. Batch your voiceovers, editing, and scheduling. By 3 p.m. you're done for the week. 1 great video per week beats 5 mediocre ones. You're building a brand, not a burnout. You don't need a face, fancy gear, or a clue what you're doing. You just need a niche, a plan, and the guts to upload something imperfect. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are still one of the fastest ways to grow online, if you do it smart. And now you know how. If this video gave you some value, hit that like button and make sure you resubscribe. New videos drop daily. No fluff, no clickbait, just strategies that actually work. To help you grow a faceless YouTube channel with AI, boost your income from your 9 to 5, and start building digital assets that pay you even while you sleep. Got questions, wins, or even rants? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one, and I'm down to chat. And hey, don't stop here. Click that next video and unlock even more ways to grow your YouTube empire and finally live life on your terms.